Hello again, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be doing a short walk from Edgware Road, Bakerloo Line to Edgware Road, Circle District and Hammersmith and City Line. Now I've had a few people ask me how far it is. Now it's around about 2 to 3 minutes walk, just under the flyover here. So you come out Edgware Road, Bakerloo Line. There's no underground connection between these stations. A lot of them on the London Underground do have a connection, but this is one of the ones that doesn't. So if you do need to change to the Circle District Line or even Hammersmith and City, this is a little walk that you have to do. Now as I say, it's not very far, it's about 3 minutes. So you just walk straight up here. Hopefully when you do the trip, if you're going to be doing it, it's not going to be raining. So you can just see there, we've turned left down the road. I think it's Cable Street or Caball Street, but you can just see the station there in the distance. So it's not too far. Now on this little trip, we were actually going from Edgware Road to Camden Town, but we're not going to go far. I'm just going to show you the interchange between the stations. So we're just coming up to Edgware Road now. As I say, it's the Circle and District and also the Hammersmith and City Line. Now the other one we've just come out of is just the Bakerloo. Now if you are going to Baker Street, then you can go from either this one or the Northern Line or the Bakerloo Line, but if you're going any other destinations, then you'll have to come to this one. But as you can see, it's not very hard to find. You just walk along the road for 2 or 3 minutes and it's there. Anyone in the station will direct you if you're not sure, but if you just come out the station, turn left, it's quite easy to find. Now as I say, we were going to Camden Town on this journey, but I'm just going to show you the station layout, the platform, and we'll just go one stop on the train to Baker Street. So it's pretty well signposted, all the different destinations there and the timings as well. So you've got the District and the Circle Line platforms. There's plenty of apps now that will show you which platform to go to if you're not sure, but they're pretty well signposted. So we're just going to go down onto this platform, which is eastbound, going towards Baker Street. It's only one stop on this train. As I say, if you're only going 1 or 2 stops, you could get any one of these trains here, but as we were going to Camden Town, we had to wait for the Circle or District Line that was going to be going there. Or Hammersmith and City. Now if you're not familiar with London Underground, the trains are pretty good in central London, every 2 or 3 minutes. Sometimes you may have to wait up to 5 or even 10 minutes, but generally speaking they're pretty good, and there may be one or more lines you can use. So in this case you could use Circle or District or Hammersmith and City. So if you're only going a short hop, any one of those will be okay, as is the case with the Bakerloo Line. Our train coming in now. So as you can see, not too long a wait if you do have to catch this train.
This is Edgware Road. This is a Circle Line train via Baker Street and King's Cross and Packworth. The next station is Baker Street.
Now, as I say, if you're not familiar with London Underground, generally when you're in central London, the stops are only about 2 to 3 minutes apart. When you go further out of town, they're a bit further spread out, but in town it's generally 2 or 3 minutes, so it doesn't take long to get to any destination, and it's definitely the quickest way of doing it. Sometimes it would be quicker to walk, but most of the time you can get the interconnecting train. It doesn't take long at all. So as I say, we're just going to go as far as Baker Street just to show you the journey. As I say, you could have got the Circle or Hammersmith and City line here to Baker Street. The District line goes the other way, which is westbound from here. Now, Baker Street is one of the most busy junctions on the London Underground. I think it serves five different lines, so that was probably the reason why it's going so slow just going through here. Hasn't picked up speed properly yet.
The next station is Baker Street. Change for the Bakerloo, Jubilee and Metropolitan line. Exit for Madame Tussauds.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
And that's it, just coming into Baker Street now. And there we have it, arriving at the famous Baker Street station. Anyway, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.